Hello everyone. In previous lecture we had studied petrology. In that we had studied the various types of rock and origin of that rocks. In today's lecture we are going to study regarding soil. So what do you mean by soil? So soil is the sediment and other unconsolidated accumulation of solid particles which are produced by the mechanical and chemical disintegration of rock regardless of whether or not they contain an admixture of organic constituent. यानी ये जो सॉइल है इट इज़ फॉर्म फ्रॉम द मैकेनिकल एंड केमिकल डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ रॉक. जो ओल्ड रॉक रहेंगे वो जो ओल्ड रॉक है उस ओल्ड रॉक का डिसइंटीग्रेशन होगा ड्यू टू मैकेनिकल और केमिकल डिसइंटीग्रेशन होगा उस रॉक का. एंड ड्यू टू दिस डिसइंटीग्रेशन वी विल गेट अ soil. So soil will form from the mechanical and chemical disintegration of the rock. Then application of soil as a civil engineering material. So soil is more suitable in embankment fields and retaining pond beds after their construction. So soil you can use in the embankment fields also and in retaining pond beds after their construction. For this purpose you can use the soil. Then soil is also suitable for foundation but require compaction, as without compaction structure may collapse. So ये जो soil है that soil you can use that soil for foundation, but when you use the soil for a foundation then the compaction should be done. जब आप वहाँ पे foundation में soil use करोगे so at that time the compaction should be proper. If we are not doing compaction properly so there will be settlement of the structure and there may be a structure collapse. So for that purpose you have to do proper compaction. Then soil provides the moderate support for all types of foundation. जो soil है that soil थोड़े बहुत पैमाने पे सारे जो foundations है it provide support for all the foundations. Improper study of soil may lead to failure of structure. If we are not studying the soil properly so it may lead to failure of the structure. So we have to do a proper study of soil. Then for plinth filling soil can be used as a construction material. जब हम बैक फिलिंग वगैरह करते प्लिंथ फिलिंग वगैरह करते so at that time soil is useful. Then soil cement mixture can be used for subgrade. soil cement का अगर मिक्सचर जो है वो मिक्सचर हम सबग्रेड के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. परवियस एंड इम्परवियस सॉइल कैन बी यूज इन अर्दन डैम्स. जो परवियस एंड इम्परवियस सॉइल रहेगा वो सॉइल हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर अर्दन डैम्स. Then for water bound macadam road soil is used as a binder material. जो WBM road हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं ड्यूरिंग इट्स कंस्ट्रक्शन वी यूज द सॉइल एज इट्स बाइंडर मटेरियल. सो फॉलोइंग आर द वेरियस एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ सॉइल एज ए सिविल इंजीनियरिंग मटेरियल. द नेक्स्ट इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सॉइल एज अ फाउंडेशन बेड. जैसा हमने पहले डिस्कस किया सॉइल इज़ ऑल्सो सूटेबल फॉर फाउंडेशन बेड बट इट रिक्वायर कॉम्पैक्शन as without compaction the structure may fail. Then soil provide the moderate support for all the foundations. Soil cement mixture can be used for subgrade. For waterbound macadam also, soil is used as a binder material, as we had already discussed in the previous slide. Then field application of geotechnical engineering for foundation design, pavement design, retaining wall design, design of earth dam. अब फील्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग, यानी ये जो जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग है, सो where we use directly on the field. So let's see first design of foundation of various civil structures. As foundation resting on soil carries load of any particular structure, geotechnical engineering is applicable to design such suitable foundations for various load. Let's see, जो भी कोई स्ट्रक्चर होगा, सो फाउंडेशन ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर इट रेस्ट ऑन सॉइल. हर एक जो स्ट्रक्चर उसका फाउंडेशन कहाँ पे रेस्ट होता है, इट रेस्ट ऑन सॉइल, एंड सॉइल कैरीज लोड ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर. जो भी स्ट्रक्चर का फाउंडेशन सॉइल पे रेस्ट हो रहा है, सो सारा जो लोड है उस स्ट्रक्चर का, इट इज़ कैरिड बाय द सॉइल. Then geotechnical engineering is applicable to design such suitable foundation for various load. So ये जो geotechnical engineering है, that geotechnical engineering it is used to design the suitable foundation for various loads. Depending upon load, we have to design the foundation. So for this purpose we use the geotechnical engineering. The next, design of pavement for various types of road. So layer of pavement made up of sand, gravel is laid on subgrade soil, can be designed in terms of thickness, load carrying capacity using geotechnical engineering. अब ये जो pavement का डिज़ाइन है, सो जो layers है, layers of pavement it is made up of सैंड एंड ग्रेवल, एंड जो भी हम पेवमेंट डिज़ाइन करते हैं, सो इट इज़ डिज़ाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ थिकनेस. वो जो पेवमेंट है वो थिकनेस में डिज़ाइन किया जाएगा, एंड लोड कैरिंग कैपेसिटी इज़ फाइंड यूजिंग जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग. सो इन सच अ वे जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग इज़ यूज इन फील्ड फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग ऑफ पेवमेंट. Then designing of earth retaining structure. Geotechnical engineering is also applicable to design and construct earth retaining structure like retaining wall and sheet piles, useful for hill roads and landslides. तो ये जो geotechnical engineering है, it is also used for designing the retaining earth retaining structure. So जहाँ पे retaining wall होगा, for designing of retaining wall, sheet piles, so for its design geotechnical engineering is helpful. So for designing and construction of earth retaining structures, the geotechnical engineering is applicable. Then next is design of water retaining structure. So geotechnical engineering is very much applicable. ये जो geotechnical engineering it is very much applicable for easy and safe design and execution and maintenance of earthen dam, weir, barrage, etc. ये जो भी डैम्स, अर्थ डैम्स वगैरह है, वियर है, बैरिएजेस है, सो फॉर डिज़ाइन ऑफ इट geotechnical engineering is applicable. Then for design of underground structures, underground pipelines, that is water supply and sewage lines, require geotechnical engineering for effective work. It is also important in safe execution of proposed alignment. सो जहाँ पे अंडरग्राउंड स्ट्रक्चर्स रहेंगे, सो फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग ऑफ दैट अंडरग्राउंड स्ट्रक्चर, जैसा कि वाटर सप्लाई लाइन है, सीवेज लाइन्स है, सो फॉर डिज़ाइन ऑफ दैट we require geotechnical engineering. Okay, so is there any problem, then you can contact on the given contact number. Thank you very much.